Good morning to all.
Good morning, ma'am. Good
So
morning.
let's continue the exercise in the workbook. Let's continue the exercise in the workbook. So please take workbook page number 9.
Yeah.
Take
Yes, ma'am.
workbook page number 9. Let me share the same page. All of you got the same page. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
So here we have question number 13. Tick the activity which comes earlier. What is this earlier meaning? Earlier, what is the meaning earlier? Before the activity which comes before. So tick the activity which comes earlier, and you can see painting the wall. Children are painting the wall, and in the first picture they painted three layers, and second picture they completed 4 layers, and fifth layer almost half also completed. So which one is earlier? Is it the first picture or second picture?
Second picture.
Listen. It's asked earlier, means before. See, second picture they completed almost 4 layers they completed, and fifth they started. No, fifth they completed half also. So that will come later only. So the first picture, that is only 3 layers. That is earlier. Okay, that will happen before. So the first one is earlier. So you can put a tick mark for the first one. Now, filling water. You can see filling water in a bucket. And in the first picture, it's almost completed, filled. And second picture, it's only half. So which one is earlier? Is it the first picture or second one? Second one. Second one is earlier. After that, only the next picture will come. Filling, continue. Then the last, it will be filled full. Now, question number 14. Arrange the following activities. Begin from what you do earlier. See, 4 activities are given. We have to arrange it order. Now, wearing shoes, having lunch to school, wearing socks, going to school.
Ma'am, which page number?
Page number 9. Workbook page number 9. Now, look at the activities given. Wearing shoes, having lunch to school, wearing socks, going to school. So, which one will come first? Number 1.
The second picture.
No. I asked question number 14. See, wearing shoes. Wearing socks. See, wearing socks. So, we can put a number 1. Wearing socks. Now, what will be second? We have wearing shoes, having lunch to school, going to school. Which one will be second? Wearing shoes. Very good. Now, having lunch to school, going to school. Which one is number 3?
Going to school.
Going to school. Now, number 4, having lunch to school. Okay, now we can write below. The first one. See, the first one we have wearing socks. So all of you please write WEARING. You can look at look the question itself, there is answer. So wearing socks. Then you can put a comma. Wearing shoes. Then third, going to school. Now the next one, having lunch at school. Yes. Bathtub is, wearing socks, wearing shoes, going to school, having lunch at school.
Completed.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, I already completed.
See, some students are writing, let them complete, then we can move to the next one.
No completed. Ma'am, you are completed. Ma'am, completed.
Those who have completed, try to read the next one. You mute your device and try to read the next question and find out the answer. So shall we move to next one?
No. Ma'am, if I completed this page, I can close.
No. You no need to close. We have to do the next one also, dear.
Next page.
The question is in the same page.
I have not completed.
Okay, please complete it.
Okay. Yes. Ma'am, I completed that. I have completed. Ma'am, I completed.
Okay. Those who have completed, please try the next question. So let's move to page, next question number 15.
Yes.
So here we have the same pages. I will forward in the group also. So those who have more time, please complete that time. Okay, now you please listen. Question number 15. Which part of the day do the pictures show? So you can see 3 pictures here. It is asked, which part of the day do the pictures show? We have 4 parts of the day. Out of these 4 parts, which part of the day it's showing? Is it morning, afternoon, evening, or night? Which one?
Morning.
Morning. Very good. You can see the first one. The first picture, you can see the sun here. They're watering the plants. Now, second picture, waking up. Third one also, you can see the sun. So that means it's in the morning. So please take page number 10. And at the top, you have in a space to write. There you can write morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G. Morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G.
Ma'am, do you want to write?
You have to write the answer. Morning.
I have completed.
Now, question number 16. Write 2 activities do you do in the. Any 2 activities you can write. In the morning. Any 2 activities. Tell me any 2 activities, Adna. Adna Sunil, tell me any 2 activities you are doing in the morning.
We will brush our teeth.
Brushing the teeth. You can write your own activities. No problem. I am writing here easy one. Waking up. Brushing the teeth or having breakfast or going to school. Any 2 activities. It's your choice. Having breakfast. Waking up, having breakfast. You can write brushing teeth, taking bath, or going to school, having breakfast, waking up. Any 2 activities. Waking up, having breakfast. B-R-E-A-K-F-A-S-T. B-R-E-A-K-F-A-S-T. Breakfast. Waking up, having breakfast. Yes, Harriet?
What is the spelling of breakfast?
B R E A K F A S
I have completed.
T. Okay, good, Adna. Now the same type of question. That means write 2 activities you do in the evening. Harriet, tell me any 2 activities you do in the evening time.
We will eat lunch.
Eh?
Sorry.
Evening time.
We will eat dinner.
Playing.
Dinner. Eat dinner.
Sometimes some students may take, small children, they may take dinner during this evening time. Playing, then?
Ma'am, what is the spelling of walking?
Walking, sorry, see, W-A-L-K. It's my mistake, see. Just 1 minute, just 1 minute. See, W-A-L-K-I-N-G. Not walking, no. See, waking is W-A-K-I-N-G. Sorry, waking up. W-A-K-I-N-G. W-A-K-I-N-G. Waking up.
Going for walk in morning.
That you can write, no problem. Going for a walk. Doing yoga. Doing exercise. Any 2 activities. Now, evening. Playing.
Playing, and we will study with our friends.
Playing, studying, any 2 activities. It's your choice. Here I am writing playing, doing homework. doing homework. Playing, doing homework. You can write a playing with the friends, doing homework.
Going. Cycling.
Cycling, yes, you can write, no problem.
Going to temple.
Ah, yes, very good. Playing, playing, doing homework, doing, doing, homework, homework, doing homework.
I have completed.
So shall we move to the next one? Question number 17.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here we have question number 17. When do you go to school? When do you go to school? Usually
Morning.
morning time. And when do you return from a school? When do you return from a school?
Evening.
Afternoon. Afternoon. No? Here it will be it will be completed, means the school time will be completed at 3:50, no? So it's before 5 o'clock. So you can say afternoon. So when do you go to school? We go to school in the morning. So we can write answer here. W-E-V-G-O, go, T-O. Everything is there in the question itself. We go to school in the morning. I-N, in the morning. We go to school in the morning.
School. School in the morning.
We return in the afternoon. We go to school in the morning, we return in the afternoon. We go to school in the morning, we return in the afternoon.
Completed.
Okay, good. Some students are still writing, let them complete. Those who have completed, please try to read question number 18. So shall we move to 18? Question number 18?
No, ma'am.
Okay, please complete it. So next we have question number 18. And here we have, please listen. Sam completed his homework after his dinner. Please listen once again. Sam completed his homework after his dinner. When did he do his homework? See, after the dinner only he did the homework. So when did he do his homework? Which part of the day?
Night.
Night. Yes, it's night. So the first question answer it is night. N-I-G-H-T. Night. Sam completed his homework after his dinner. When did he do his homework? Night.
Complete.
Okay, good.
Complete.
Now, question B. After school, Raju went to a party. Okay, after coming to home, Raju went to a party. When did he go to the party? Which part of the day?
Afternoon.
See, after coming to home,
Evening.
he go to the party. So it's in the evening time. E-V-E-N-I-N-G. E-V-E-N-I-N-G, evening. After school, Raju went to a party. When did he go to the party? It's in the evening.
Finish.
Okay, good. E-V-E-N-I-N-G, evening. In the evening time. Okay, so here we have multiple choice questions. Question number 1. Which of these activities is done earlier? See, 4 activities are given. You have to find out which one is earlier. And here we have A, showering, B, waking up in the morning, C, having dinner, D, having lunch. Which one is earlier? Waking up in the morning. So you can put a tick mark for option B and write capital letter B inside the brackets. Waking up in the morning.
Finish.
Okay, good. Is there anyone to complete the answers in the page number 10? Or we can move to page number 11.
Ma'am, I finished 11.
Okay, so let's move to page number 11.
Yes.
So page number 11. And here we have, see, Rajesh is making a word from the given image. See, one picture, one image is given. Okay, which of the following steps comes later than the others? What is the image given? What is the image given, or what is the picture? It is
Fish.
It's fish. So he has to write the spelling fish. So first he will write F, then he will write I, then he will write S, then he will write H. So which one is later? Okay, which of the following steps comes later than the others? Is it A, B, C, or D?
D.
See, later means after, means at the last step.
B.
So is it A, B, C, or D? Which is the last step? He will write H, no? So that word will be completed. So which is the correct answer? Option D. And write capital letter D. See, it is asked later. Which of the following steps comes later than the others? So he will start writing F, then he will write I, then he write S, then the last step H. So he will get the word fish. So option D is later than the others. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Shall we move to page question number 3?
Yes.
Think. Okay,
Yes.
think and tell me the answer. Question number 3. 4 animals went to the pond. You can see this picture. See, 4 animals went to the pond one by one. Which picture comes earlier than the others? You can see in the first picture A, all the 4 animals are there. Listen, all the 4 animals are there. Elephant is here, giraffe, zebra and lion. Yes. Now you understood. Yes, the correct answer is B. Listen. Option B, you can see only elephant. Option C, it's elephant and lion. Option D, elephant, giraffe, lion. So which one is earlier than the others?
B.
Option B. The first animal which comes in the pond, into the pond is option B. That means elephant. So you can put a tick mark for option B and write a capital letter B inside the bracket. Let's move to page number 12. Let's move to page number 12.
Yes.
Please take page number 12. And here we have multiple choice questions again. Number 4. Which of the following takes the least time? Least means less time. Less time to get filled. So you can see 4 things are there. Out of these 4 things, which takes less time to get filled? Which will take less time? Spoon. So you can put a tick mark for option A. Write a capital letter A inside the brackets. Least time means less time. Now, question number 5. Which of the following takes the most time? Means more time. And here it is given. A. Cutting vegetables and making food. B. Eating food. C. Filling water in a glass and drinking. D. Eating chocolate. Which takes more time? Which takes vegetables and making food. Option A. Cutting vegetables and making food. So you can write capital letter A inside the brackets. Question number 6. Here we have, which of the following takes the least time? Means less time. Which of the following takes the least time? Option A, brushing teeth. Option B, taking a shower. Option C, wearing uniform. Option D, tying shoelaces. Which take less time?
Shoelaces.
Yeah, is tying shoelaces. Option D, tying shoelaces. You can write a capital letter D inside the bracket. The activity which takes less time compared to other. That is option D, tying shoelaces. So let's move to question number 7, fill in the blanks. Here we have, for each event, write more or less in the blank. See, 2 activities are comparing with the words more or less. We have to think the activities which take less time, which take more time. Okay, the first one, 7. Reading a page takes, reading a page takes dash time than reading a book. See, reading a page, reading a book. So reading a page takes a dash time. Is it less time or more time? Less time. Reading a page takes less time. So you can write here LESS. Think about the first activity. First written is reading the page. So reading a page takes less time compared to reading a book. Reading a page takes less time than reading a book. So LESS, less. Number 8. Filling a glass with water takes dash time than filling a bucket. See, first one, it is filling a glass. It takes less time or more time? Less time. So again it is less. Filling a glass with water takes less time. Filling a glass with water takes less time than filling a bucket. Filling a glass with water takes less time than filling a bucket. So L-E-S-S, less, once again. Now, number 9.
I completed the 9th question.
Baking a cake. See, baking a cake takes. And which is other activity? Eating a biscuit. Okay, so
More
baking a cake, is it less time or more time?
More time.
More time. Yes,
time.
baking a cake takes more time. M-O-R-E, more. Baking a cake takes more time than eating a biscuit. Eating a biscuit takes less time. But if baking a cake takes more time. Baking a cake takes more time than eating a biscuit. Okay, good. So we will continue in the next class. That's better now. We have 3 more pages that we will continue in the next class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Okay, ma'am.
Sai Krishna completed.
Yes. So these pages I will send in the group also. So those who didn't complete, please complete it that time. Okay.
Sebastian completed.
Okay, Sebastian, goodbye. Now I'm going to stop sharing. So thank you for joining. We will meet in the next class. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.